May first cut tayo ngayon guys. Oh. Makuha natin guys. Malaki guys. Yun. Katago tayo dito guys. Oh, kasing araw andyan guys. Oh. Kaya dito tayo. Not bad na to guys sa akin guys. Okay na. May order tayo ngayon guys. 6 pounds. Kaya pagsikapan natin guys nga makahuli tayo. I love you mama. Mr. B. Oh, big size Mr. B. Oh. Oh, first catch ko ngayon. Oh. Alas 4:50. Mag-ano na, mag-alas 5. Karating na natin. Punang kuha natin. At least may blessing agad tayo. Kasi hindi naman tayo ng pag-fishing. There's a lot of people in the beach side. That's why I come this place again guys. I don't know how many pieces I catching, but after this one I want to show you my fishing I'm still today. Kuntis ko lang guys habang tayo ay ano magaga pa kasi mamaya hindi na maganda. Alright, kuntis na natin yan. I love you mama. So nakadali naman tayo guys pang iyaw natin guys. Saan yun? Sa kaliwa natin marami liligo. Andun na mag-inakol man guys. Oh. Ito yung mga aso. Pero dito tayo sa ating sama natin yung video natin kapon. Kapon nakatatlong piraso lang tayo eh. Ay guys oh. Sama mama. Sigurado si mama to guys. Ayun oh. Yan. Sa kabila naman may Mr. B. Ayun oh. Kaya ito na uli natin guys oh. Ayun na. Kasi lang mga isda ngayon guys. Hindi masyadong malalaki. Kapon, 3 piraso tayo. Pero nakabinta tayo kay kapon, $30 tayo kapon. Kaya continuous lang to guys. Dagdag natin sa video natin kapon na kuha natin. Guys, lang. Guys, mapalaman tayo guys. Oh. Yung ang tapon natin dito. Ang very hot. 4:30 starting. Laki guys oh. Laki guys. Alright. Andun mag-ina ko ulit guys oh. Yesterday cut only 3 pieces guys. But this time maybe itong galon natin guys oh. Yeah. Kuha pa tayo tubig. Right Mr. B. Yung video natin yesterday i-continuous ko lang guys. At least meron tayong iniyaw ko din yung hapon guys yung huli ko eh. Yun. Yeah. Alright. At least di tayo na zero. Ayun, laki. Good size. Alright mama, sold for you. Alright Mr. B. Continuous ko lang guys. Ayun guys oh. Malaki to guys. Ayun. Mabigat sa guys. Laki. Come on, mama. Guys, ang laki din ulit guys. Ayun. Yun. Yun, laki guys. Ulit. Not bad guys, oh. Ang lalaki nila. Ha? Kasi lang, medyo may pakalayuan lang. Okay na yan guys. Sama ko lang ang video ko sa, ano, yun, mas malaki pa yan sa cellphone guys. Continuous natin. Sige lang. Dito pa rin guys kasi yung mag-ina ko naliligo dun eh. Eh, laki ngayon sa lugar nito. Walang katao-tao. Nobody. Kaya I try. At least, still catching guys. Alright, let's go. Tahimik lang guys. Nakadalawa tayong 2 lusis guys. At least, sayang yun. At least may kapalit naman guys. Strong to bite. Ayun guys, malaki naman ulit guys. Oh. Ganda lang guys kasi. Wah, lalaki ng isda dito guys. Yun oh. Naka anong na tayo. Dalawang malalaki na ganito din siguro na nawala natin guys. Hindi talaga na puruan yung bungangaya. Sayang. Ayun oh, sunod-sunod to guys. Ayun oh, tingnan yung uli natin, no? Oy! Ayan. Kuntis lang tayo, guys. Ayan lang, guys. At least, ano na. Alas 5 na yata, guys. Alright. So, there one, guys, oh. Ha, sikan yan, guys. Ayan. Come on, mama. Ayan, guys, oh. Uy. Ayun, malaki-laki naman ulit guys. Ayun. Dito lang sa tabi natin yung ano. Ayun na. Ayun guys, oh. Oh, saglit lang guys. Ha? Ay guys, oh. Ganyan. Saglit lang. Ha? Ayun, oh. Sana, if the 2 pieces not losing guys, already 6. Ay. Okay lang guys. Continuous natin. At least mayroon tayong activity sa araw na ito. Mayroon tayong huli. Alright. Okay mama. Sorry that. See? Alright guys. Almost 6. But I watching first the sunset. Ayan guys. So, yan. See that? Wow, that's the one. See the beautiful sunset in Saipan. Yeah guys, maluwala ganun kayo no? So natin guys. Alright. We're done. And then let's go to watch my my catching today guys. I make a freeze sinigang today with potato leaves and grass, lemongrass guys. Okay, at least mayroon tayong activity sa araw nito guys. Ang guys, kinagat na yung tinapay ko dun. Mukhang nagkagatan pa. Kita nyo? Tingnan natin ulit guys. Baka kumagat pa. At least mayroon na tayong huli guys. Yung huli natin. Yan ang sinigang natin ngayon guys, with lemon grass. lemongrass and balunggay o potatoes leaves. Okay, continuous lang guys, bye. Kiskisan ko po ito, linisan ko, I clean up this one and then make sinigang. Let's go. Alright guys, I prepare already guys for my sinigang guys. Wow, sinigang with balunggay guys. With lemongrass and the balunggay guys. Waiting the fish. After the fish finish, that's it. Right? Continuous natin guys. Mamaya, kainan na. Time to eat for my dinner today guys. Continuous natin guys. Okay guys, this is it. Ito na guys ang sinigang ko guys. Lunod na guys. Big size guys. Alright. Thank you for watching guys. But after this one, with balunggay guys. Wow. Ano masasabi ko guys sa aking sinigang guys? Freeze guys, very freeze. Beer freeze. May sinigang with balunggay. After this one, time to eat guys. See? Beer freeze. May sinigang guys. Natin guys. At least nakita nyo ngayon ng pagpipising guys. Pising and cooking sinigang fresh maputi guys. See, lalaki yan guys, big size, good size. Only 4 but only full to the my cooking. I continues natin guys. This one. Mas lang. But guys, this is it. Kaya yun yung sinigang natin guys. Ready. And make balunggay. Balunggay guys. Wow. Freeze guys, freeze with balunggay. Yeah guys. And then look at my bowl guys. My bowls. Wow, super laki nito guys. So guys, ilagay sa ano ko guys. Diyan ko ilagay sa malaki. Tapos guys, dito ko lang sa pool. Continuous na to guys ha. Ito yung ulam natin guys. Yan. Ang shout out sa inyo lahat guys. Continuous natin to guys sa pagkain natin. Guys ko lang. Alright guys, this is it. This is my soup. Amazing Mama Maputi guys. Alright, thank you for watching my video guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Please you like if you like. And this is my dinner today guys. Thank you Lord. Thank you this for your blessing today, every day. If I going fishing, please my friend or my another guy to go to fishing, please blessing for him too, to catching the Mama Maputi. And thank you Lord. Come to eat with me Lord. Thank you very much. I love you guys, and I love you, Mama, in the big side, guys. See you soon tomorrow, guys. Maybe tomorrow again I try if I'm not busy, guys. Alright, Mr. B. See you soon. This is my dinner today. The freeze Mama Maputi with balunggay, lemongrass, and garlic. Is it? Love you guys. See you soon.